Want all your fitness data in one place? Here's how you can sync your Fitbit data with Google Fit in just a few simple steps. Step 1. First, install the Fitbit app and make sure your Fitbit device is already connected and syncing with your phone. Also, check that you are logged into your Fitbit account so your activity, steps, and sleep data are updating correctly. Step 2. Open the Google Fit app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store and sign in using your Google account. Step 3. Because Fitbit does not directly sync with Google Fit, you will need a third-party syncing app. Go to the App Store and download an app like Health Sync or Fit to Fit, which can transfer your Fitbit data to Google Fit automatically. Step 4. Open the syncing app you installed and choose Fitbit as the data source. Then select Google Fit as the destination where your fitness data will be sent. Step 5. Log into your Fitbit account when the app asks for permission. This allows the syncing app to read your Fitbit activity data like steps, workouts, and sleep tracking. Step 6. Next, sign in to your Google account and allow the app to write data to Google Fit. This permission is necessary so your Fitbit information can appear inside the Google Fit dashboard. Step 7. Choose the types of data you want to sync, such as steps, calories burned, workouts, heart rate, and sleep. Most syncing apps allow you to customize exactly what data gets transferred. Step 8. Start the first sync and wait a moment while the data transfers. After that, the app can automatically sync your Fitbit data with Google Fit on a regular basis. For more quick tech guides and simple step-by-step tutorials, follow the channel and save this video so you can come back anytime you need help.